to make a paper snowflake. These are the supplies you will need for your paper snowflake: paper, tape, string, scissors. Start by folding from right to left from the bottom up in a angle. Cut the excess. Now you have a triangle. Ooh, it's getting cold. Fold it over in half. Getting colder. Fold it over again. Point it out a little bit, like two rabbit ears. Flip it over. Fold it again. Now you have an arrow.
Real?
Trim it all the way. Now you have a triangle again. Notch out a little piece. Use your imagination here. Another notch. Another notch. Watch your fingers. When you're done, it'll look like some antler ears. And as you unfold it, the magic of snow. Now you're ready to hang it somewhere prominent in your home. Take your string, glue it or tape it to the top of the snowflake, hang it, and enjoy.